guys, welcome back to another day and another video. And today we have a new guest, Kamara, over here, and we are doing the Pancake Art Challenge Christmas edition. And we are the M3E. So my name is Marlson.
My name is Elston.
My name is Mars.
My name is Rawson. And my name is Kamara.
And so we're doing this challenge. They are a team and we are a team. And comment down below what you want, or who would you think is gonna win. So let's get started. Is this right?
Yeah, that's right.
You do it. Okay, have you? Okay. Oh, I think I messed up. Not that. Oh. I messed up.
Make it feet.
Oh man, I messed up.
Go make his face.
Moving on to the next one. Alright, we're done with the first section of this video. Let's move on to the next one, okay? You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, and your picture is this. Looks like they're doing Christmas trees now. Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
So guys, at the end of the show, we'll show you guys the rest of the designs and we'll let you guys decide on who the winner is. Alright, let's continue on.
Okay.
We're done on the second one. Let's go ahead and move on to the third one. You guys ready now? Alright, let's do this. And the next design would be, and because it's Uncle Ten's birthday today, so let's see if we can make him a cake pancake. And your design would be right here. Yours is ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Ours is ready.
Careful, don't break it now.
I took it. I was a man.
Okay. Moving on to the next one. Now I know you guys all like McDonald's and Burger Kings and stuff like that. So the next design or picture will be a burger. Dude, that's a black bun, yellow cheese, the lettuce, the red
If you
onion,
have a black bun, that means the bun is burned.
and then the raw fish.
You guys look like a
It's a raw
Oh my hand, the raw fish.
Oh yeah, we have real buns.
But it looks like the cheese. Oh, that cheese is green.
Flip it.
I got it.
Oh yeah.
With them.
Okay. On the next one.
Then we're on the next one.
Do we have to spray it?
There are not.
Yeah.
Can you move? Can you move? Can you move first? Okay.
All right, so do your best on the last one, okay? The last design
Oh,
will be
this is last.
revealed
I'm gonna make it there.
right
Hey, let me get that real quick.
after everything is done.
What are you doing?
That looks like a minion.
Yeah. Your face is not yellow.
Wait.
Okay guys, so we've come to the last part of the video right now. It's time to reveal all the designs and the art that they've created. So let's go ahead and show you guys, and don't forget you'll be the judge of their design. So whoever you think the winner is, just make sure you comment in the section below. Alright, so we've got the first design is point. So the first design was the name of the channel, Loco Moco. Well, Mars, why don't you go ahead and explain to them?
Okay. I don't know what that is, but that's ours. Me and Elston. So it's Loco Moco M3E.
And that's theirs.
Yep. Good job, Elston.
What about this one?
Come on, so I can explain too.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, this is Mawson's team, and that's Elston. Whose is that?
Our team.
Yeah.
Mars.
Alright, so don't forget to comment below who the winner is. So that's the first one. That's Marston's team and Elston. And that's Marston's team. So that's the one on the house. Alright, so the next one, what is this? The cake?
Yeah, and it's supposed to be saying Uncle Tim for his birthday.
Uh-huh.
That's Mawson's. Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
And our Christmas tree.
It only has
Mawson and Rawson's
And Kamara.
Kamara.
So when you do the judging of the winner, just make sure you in the comment below just write left or right, just so we know who the winner is. All right, if you get confused. So make sure you write left or right. So this
This is our
Santa.
Santa.
Santa,
I don't know. They're Santa.
that's their Santa.
This is the other group, but this is me and Elston's. Yep.
And this is
Our Santa
ours.
hat.
That's me.
That's
And that's a burger.
That's
Yeah.
our burger.
So
And
which
that's-
one? Okay, so you pick which one is a good design.
this one.
Our bun
Alright.
is burned, and then our meat is not cooked.
Okay, and
That
for
sound is disgusting.
And
And for-
that stirs.
Moldy cheese right there.
Yeah.
And for extra, they decided to make the last design for Marlson.
And
We won. That's
we
all.
won.
So-
No, we did. This one was cute.
I personally think the one on the right, it looks good just because it's big, but I think that the one on the left, it looks like a minion. and so I think it's really cute.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Yeah. But then again, I'm not the judge. You are. So make sure you put that in a comment, and whoever you think the winner is on all the designs, just make sure you put either left or right in the comment. All right. So that's all the Christmas edition pancake designs that we did. Hope you guy enjoy, and make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And so, you guys want to say your last?
Like this video.
And check out our another videos down below.
And
Subscribe.
like our videos.
Okay.
See you next time.
All right.
Peace.
Peace. We won.
We won.
We won.